Hey, what's up guys, Brent here, your CBT promo guy, and welcome to another video. If this is the first time on my channel, hit that subscribe button. This channel is dedicated to showcasing promotional products, the manufacturer, and how we get from the blank product all the way to the branded product. And in this video, I'm going to be showcasing a curve peak black flex fit cap and how we do 3D embroidery on this cap. Now you can see the machine is set up for caps in the background here. I've got a Racoma PV1501 and I've got a couple of caps that I'm going to be smashing out on this machine today. And before we get into the entire video, I will be going through a sample cap first. These are the actual caps that I will be embroidering. It is for a startup brand. He's doing really well and I want to make a good job of those caps. So I'm going to run firstly a sample on this cap, and then I'm actually going to do and see how this goes. Then I'm going to do another sample on this cap, and then I'm going to go to the 4 caps that I got to do for him. So I thought I'd take you guys along with me, show you how the whole process works, and have a good time while we're doing it. So come along and let's check out this whole process. Nice guys, so we've set up the cap perfectly in the machine, and I've done the test. You see how I did that test embroidery where it's going to be set on the cap, and it looks really good. It looks like it's in a good position. So I've set the machine for this sample cap. So I want to show you guys what we want to try and get the cap to look like. I'll shoot up a picture. That's obviously the end product that we obviously trying to get to. But like I said, I'm going to run a couple of samples before I do the 4 that he wants me to do for him, because obviously I want to try and get to the best result that I can. So I set the machine on this navy cap is my first sample. First of all, it's the turquoise, the outer line turquoise that we'll be running first. Then I'm going to stop the machine and I'm going to place the 3D puff, it's like a foam, the 3D foam, and I'm going to place it in the cap, and you'll see me setting that foam on the cap, and then I'm going to start the machine up again and it'll just run the inner white section of the logo. So I'm excited to see how everything's going to look, and yeah, stick around. And if you want any information on this type of branding, or you have any comments along the way on the video, please do comment below and I'll definitely reply to you guys. Nice guys, so yeah, the outer line is looking really good, coming out nicely, and I did end up grabbing the phone and getting some different angles in here, but this is now going on to the last letter. So it's a 3-letter logo, and then this is the outer line of the 3rd letter, and then you'll see I'm going to stop the machine and I'm going to put the foam on, because the white section of the logo needs to be in the 3D. So it looks like everything's coming out really nicely. I've got a really good digitizer, so yeah, it really helps. At the moment I'm still outsourcing my digitizing, but yeah, definitely am learning how to do digitizing myself, but for now I am outsourcing my digitizing. He's a master, so I'll rather leave it up to him for now so that the product comes out correctly. Nice guys, so it's coming up to the end of the outline, and I'm going to stop the machine just as it finishes so that we can change and put the foam on. Cool. So I've placed the foam on the cap now, and I'm just going to carry it on. Wait, let me pull back slightly, and then start. Okay. guys, so there you have it. That's the first sample, and by the looks of things it came out amazing. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna take the excess foam away while it's still on the machine. I don't know how you guys, other embroiderers do it out there, but wow, this is serious real time here. This looks amazing. Oh my gosh, this is amazing. So for you guys who don't know, this is the first time I'm doing 3D embroidery like this with an outline like this, and it looks awesome. Wow. I'm so impressed. This is amazing. I'm so impressed. I'm going to do some cleanups here. There's not much really to clean up, and I'll show you guys. So I'm just taking the cap off the machine, and look at that. Look at that. Oh my gosh. Wow, that's amazing. That is really amazing. Let's say, yeah, there we go. That is really amazing. So, let me get down here. So, this came out really good. I don't even know if I need to do the second sample, but I think I'm just gonna run it. It's always nice to have samples here to show people, and sure, this came out really nice. So I'm just going to run the second sample. I might not do too much filming, but depending, maybe I will do a couple of clips along the way. But definitely very impressed with the outcome. Cool guys, so that first one came out really nicely. I don't really have to run the second sample, but what is nice is that I can keep this as a sample to show other guys what I can do on the machine, so it's never a waste. So I've set the black one up, and we're just going to get going there. Nice, so that is just the outline, and you guys can see kind of light showing quite bright on that white, but there you can see. So it's doing the turquoise second outline at the moment, and it's going on to the black cap. So that sample black cap is the same color as the 4 that I need to do for him, so that'll give you a really good indication on what it's going to look like. So I'm excited, came out really good, so I'll show you guys a couple of clips along the way, and then we'll get into those last 4. Good stuff, nice. Second sample, all finished. Just have to take away that foam. Let's quickly do that now. That is looking really nice. Sure, perfect. Nice, guys. Just do some cleanies up here. Clean this excess thread. Heat a bit around the C, and you're good to go. Perfect. Righto guys, so we have finished up with the 2 samples and they are looking really awesome. I did have a small issue with the section of the C. Let me come up close and I can show you there. So when it was shifting around that corner there was a slight couple of threads that were loose and the foam was coming out slightly. Just, if you guys can see there closely, but yeah, with the heat gun I did fix it and it's looking pretty good. So yeah, I'm not too stressed about that. This cap is a lot harder. The material, it's a lot more tougher than this first sample. The first sample cap is definitely a lot more softer, so that could be the reason. I'm not too sure, but these flex fit caps that I'm gonna do now, these 4 for him, are really good quality, and it is, I would say it's a lot more softer than this black sample that I did here. That's definitely a lot more rougher and harder, so that could be the reason. But I mean, otherwise it came out really nicely, and yeah, just came in with the heat gun and fixed it up. I mean, I can't see anyone really having an issue with that. Yeah, I mean, I'm obviously quite finicky when I look at these sort of things, and obviously I want it perfect. But really, if someone gets a cap like that and they're not someone that is, you know, looking at these detailed things, it's not gonna, they're not even gonna see it. So yeah, it's all fixed up, and light's a bit hectic. Let me try and turn the light down. Maybe I can, you guys can see. No, the light's still shifting there. That's quite, there you can see it comes on nicely. Cool guys, so that's really the 2 samples. Obviously want to set the machine correctly, so I did the 2 samples. I'm going to go on to the main 4 and yeah, smash this out and get this order done. And yeah, super excited. This 3D stuff is came out so nicely, and yeah, just really stoked about the improvements that I'm having with the machine and the embroidery on the caps, specifically this 3D stuff. Cool guys, so I'm gonna carry on. Yeah, if you got any comments, you want to know anything along the way of the video, please drop me a comment and I'll definitely get to you guys. guys, so we are finished up with these caps. They're looking sweet and awesome, and all those good words to describe good things like 3D embroidered caps, looking good. We had to add side embroidery there as well. So that was the cap that you heard in the background that was finishing up. The machine is done and we are finished, done and dusted with these caps. Very cool, very awesome. Let me try and show you guys. These were the gray. You can see what I'll do is I'll just shoot. Can't really see it here in the light. What I'll do is I'll shoot up a couple of pics on the top there for you guys to see the blue one, and then the gray with the side brand embroidery, looking really good. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. It was really awesome. Some tricks here that I had to pull with the side embroidery and a couple of things to navigate along the way, but it's all part of the game. If you guys are involved with embroidery, you'll know what I'm talking about. Funny story before I end off the video. I was out in the trade getting a few caps for another order that I got to be running next week, and a couple of tees as well. And the supplier that I was at to grab the tees said to me that there was someone that came in that saw my channel and literally followed my video along and saw where I was going and went to that supplier to register to become a reseller from that supplier. And that is awesome news. Can't believe it. Actually, the guys, when I dropped in there, they knew exactly who this guy was talking about when he came in, and he said, I'm watching this guy on YouTube and I see that he's buying from you guys, and I want to also buy from you guys. So yeah, my wholesaler and the guys that I'm connected to there just gained another client from my videos, and they were super stoked about it. I'm super stoked about it. If I can help you resellers through these videos, I'm stoked. Let's get it cracking, guys. If I can help you, more the merrier out there. And yeah, so that was my little story at the end of the video. I was really stoked about that. Very excited to hear those sort of things, and that my videos are actually helping people, because that's inevitably what I want to do through the channel, is definitely connect with other resellers, other guys that are doing embroidery, doing screen printing, and involved in promotional product resale. So that's it, guys. I am out, and this is our 3D embroidery cap video. I hope you enjoyed. Hit that like button, guys. If you are new to the channel, hit that subscribe button, share the video, tell people about this channel. If you have anything you want to ask me, drop me a comment and I'll try and reply to you as soon as I can. Until the next video, guys, I'll see you. Cheers.